one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I'm bringing out the hidden beauty that is inside of you. For I made you unique. I made you one of a kind. There's no one else in the whole of creation like you. When I made you, I wrapped up part of myself and I put it inside of you. You are a unique expression of my love, a unique expression of my creativity. I want that you shine bright, that you bring my love and my life in this world in a way that only you can do. Don't be afraid. Don't allow fear to enter, for fear would seek to keep you still. Fear would seek to make you like everyone else. But I made you one of a kind. I made you unique. Trust in me that I'm shining the light of my love upon you, the light of my glory and of my presence. For I'm making you fully who you are, fully unique and beautiful. I love you. I love you just as you are. Dare to be yourself. Dare to be who I made you to be. Be at peace, my beloved, be at peace, knowing that I am the Lord who is with you. I'm bringing my peace to you, my wholeness, my shalom. For where I am, there is completion. Where I am, there is fullness of life. I'm making you fully who you are. I'm molding and shaping you, fashioning and forming you, making you complete and new. I am the one who breathes life into you, the one who fills you afresh. Do not be afraid, but lift your eyes to me, knowing that I am the Lord who is your source. I am the Lord who is your strength. Be at peace, for I am your peace. I am the Lord who is your security, the Lord who is your strength. Rejoice in me this day, for I am bringing a new experience of freedom, a new experience of life. I'm walking with you into the inheritance that is yours. Do not fear, for I am with you, the Lord who makes you whole, the Lord who makes all things new. There is a harvest that is coming, a harvest that cannot be missed, for I am the Lord of the harvest. Trust in me that I will bring all things together. For every seed that is sown will produce after its kind. Everything that has begun will be brought to completion and wholeness. I am the Lord, the faithful one, the Lord who is with you always. Do not be afraid, don't allow fear to enter, but put your hope and put your trust in me, knowing that I who began the work will be faithful in completing it. I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is restoring you, the Lord who is renewing you. Put your hope and put your trust in me, for I am bringing transformation and change. I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is making you whole, the Lord who is making all things new. Don't look at the storm, but look at me, for I am the Lord who is bringing the light of my glory through every storm. The light of my love is breaking through, as I turn situations around for good. Keep your focus and your attention upon me, upon the new things which I am doing, the beauty that is breaking forth. Do not allow discouragement to come in, but put your hope and put your trust in me. For I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who delights in who you are. Trust in me that I am making all new. I am making all things beautiful. I am the Lord who lifts you up, the Lord who empowers and strengthens you. I am breathing life into you anew. Speak to the storms of life and tell them to be still, for I am giving you my peace. I'm bringing my presence to you, my presence that changes all, my presence that turns circumstances around. I am with you and I am for you. I'm filling you anew this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.